Wonders, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can just easily create an ebook using Canva templates. So you just go to the website and type in canva.com. There's a video already on basics of Canva, so you can check that out. Alright, so you then click the plus sign and tap on and search for ebook cover, or you can just use book cover, it depends on you. So the size of a book cover here is different. It's 1:4:10 to 250, and the size of an ebook cover is also different. So this is a book cover. A book creator cover landscape, portrait size, square size. It depends on the kind of book, coloring booklet, comic book, um, receipt book cover. So you may need to search online what kind of book you're looking for, um, and decide which you want to do. So but this is the size for a book cover. Okay, so if a book is not what you want to do, then you may need to search online, but we're going to stick to a book, assuming that you're doing a book. But if you're doing an ebook, kindly search for an ebook cover. I hope that helps. So these are templates, alright. Templates, these are the ones that are available. Some are paid, some are for free. So you can choose the one that resonates a little with what you want to do. Alright, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to just be using this. Alright, embrace your style, express yourself with confidence and elegance. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is to edit this to suit what I want. Right now, there's something to in Canva. When you choose a template, if you want to get something similar like that but not exactly, you can just slide to the next page. Sliding it gives you another page. Cancel this, then tap on designs, then begin to see similar things around the fashion or around what you chose earlier. You might end up seeing something that you love more. Me. Okay, but that's just for an act that I found out. So let's assume I want to edit this. Like I said, the first time you tap on this, put in your own title. I'm not really sure I have a title. Okay, let's name it Fashion 101. That's the name of the book. Put your name. Yeah. So tap on this. I need to create, now put in your book title. So we'll name this, okay, clean this out and name this Fashion 101. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take it down. If I want it to be like this, but I think this is cool, I just make it a little bit bolder. But you see it's aligned, yeah? Then you tap it away. Okay. Alright, then I may want to change the color because pink makes it look like it's just for female. So you tap on this color and see this pops up. Yeah, then tap on the color and put in the color that you want. Choose the colors. Can you see different colors that you have? The different kinds of colors that we see here. These are gradients and this is plain color. Yeah, so now what you should do is when you tap on any color and it doesn't really sit well with you, what you do is there's this, you see this color, this sign, tap on it again, then you get to see different kind of unique colors that you would want to use. Yeah, then if you want to change the color, just tap on this, keep sliding to where you want, and then this is a color code. So if you already have a color code in mind, maybe your graphic designer told you or research online a particular color, you can then input just search for the color code and just paste it here. Yeah, So that's how it works. Then if you want a gradient of a particular, so I've chosen this purple. Now I want it to have a gradient. Tap on this guy. This is solid. Then slide to the second. That's the gradient. And can you see how it's coming out differently, uniquely? So just settle for one and then you move on. And if you do not want it, then you go back to solid and select what you want in the solid. Alright, but I want the gradient, so I stick on the gradient in this particular design. So I'm sticking to it, then you cancel, you go out. So that means this color is going to change. So I'm tapping on that, going to color, and then I would have to look for the color code because now I don't know it. So I'll go back to this guy, tap on the color, tap on this, then probably go to the solid, pick up color here, copy it. Yeah, you copy it, then go back to the gradient and paste it here. So now I'm coming back to this guy and changing the color. How do I change the color? Just do the same thing and paste the color gradient there. Now it's there. Okay, thank you very much. So we're going to move on to the next thing. Next thing we're going to do, we probably want to change the background. It's black. I don't really think I like the black. White looks so loud. So you just probably have the design and just play around with things that you have so that you can get what you want. Alright, so I think this is okay, and I have to go back to change this to white. Yeah, so this comes out really good. I'm going to change this back to everything to white. So let's say we want to put the name of the person here, so it's going to be white. Alright, so put the name. Alright, so let's assume this is the name. If you also want to change the template, tap on it. I'm sorry, change the text. Sorry, the text, the font size, and change the font. The name is not coming like you would want it, and change it. There are different kind of fonts that you can use, right? And if you want to go back, just go back with this. Go back. Right. If you want to also increase the size, you can either stretch it or you come here and type in the size that you want. If you want it to be bigger like this, you have this. So okay, and if you want the format to be bold, tap this underlined, which is all capital letters. You have that. Alright, then if you want to align, this is how it works. Yeah, so we want it in the middle. Perfect. Okay, then fashion 101. What is the subheading? We want it to be everything. I'm just saying about fashion. Okay, so let's assume that's the title, then you can stretch it to increase it to suit. We're also going to be changing the color if you want, but I think that is okay since it's a subheading. You can also change the font and then tap on the picture. We're going to change the picture, so you tap on replace. These are the images that I have. Then the next one is the photos uploaded. So you choose a picture. There are free pictures, there are uploaded pictures. If you have your picture, you can upload it. So you can choose someone, you can browse and say okay. Browse and be like sorry. You can browse and be like fashion models. So most of these are paid. So if you use any, you would have to pay before you download it. Yeah. So we do not want to do that for now. So just do something that works for you. So now our picture of the girl is yellow, so you can then choose to change any of this to yellow or to suit what you have if it doesn't fit into what you want. Okay, so this is what we have, but I don't think it's nice. I think this is okay, so it doesn't look girly. And do like this. You just, there are different color schemes. Whatever works for you, you make use of it. So I'm going back to the first. Oh yes, so this is the first one we had. Yes. So I hope this helps you. If you want to do from scratch, you can also design from scratch. But as a beginner, I would always advise that you pick what is here. Just try to edit it to suit what you want. Alright, and play around with it. So this is the picture for this. So you have to look for something that suits that kind of picture. You can browse online, you get a picture that suits this, and then put in the title. Now another thing too you can do is, if I want the font of this, the font name, I'll just tap on this, get the font name. This is now, and then come back here and do the same thing. Yeah. So I hope this is able to help you. I don't want this video to be longer. If you have any question, please let me know. And then to download what you have when you're done, yes, you'll come to this arrow that goes up, click on it, tap on download. PDF standard is suggested, but there's also PNG, and then there's also GPG, which are okay. So you choose the one you want. You want PNG. It's showing PDF because it's a book, right? So that it saves everything there. You can just PNG, then choose the page you want. Only page one, current page. Click done. Click done, and your book is downloading. When it downloads, it will indicate that it's been downloaded. And voila, you got your design. I hope this helps. So this is it. Everything about fashion. You can edit it to suit what you want and upload. I hope this helps you. Please let me know if you have any question. Bye.